So hello everyone, myself Nikon. I'm basically here to explain about my new project, which is a Pandas Helper. It is basically a web tool of Pandas where a user don't need to write the code, just drag and drop and do the data manipulation. So why Pandas is important? So as you can see AI being doing AI is basically ruling the tech industry right now. So basically, model tuning, model cleaning is very essential. So that's why Pandas Helper will basically give a platform to the new learners to learn the pandas in a more efficient way. So basically, I have some features like drag and drop functionality, visualizing solution, logging also. So basically, logging means your actions will be converted into the code, and then you can just copy paste the code into your Jupyter notebook or in your uh, Python file and run the file. So to prevent web scraping, I have used vCAPTCHA mechanism. So basically, to avoid the web scraping, to automate the platform uh, actions and everything. This is an open source project. If anyone want to contribute into my project, then they can basically refer my document, and yeah, it can be done always. Prefer to do. So this is my website. Let's open it. So it's asking for the reCAPTCHA option, right? So now, if you don't want that text, you can just you can simply click on check, and you can change the value. And now I will write QJZ, right? So let's upload a file. Okay. Sorry, once again. Pokemon J3 and open. Yeah, it is being uploaded. Now here you can do many data manipulation operation. I have categorized the operation as categories, data category, data manipulation, data output, data view, data cleaning, and visualizing. So I will talk about some like head function. You can just do a head, and you can see only 5 value came, right? And now on these 5 values, if I want to do info, then I can do info, then describe, then d type, basically to know the data type of the column, then column, then the column name in the list, shape, then group by, and correlation. Like correlation, I have different method like Pearson, Kendall, and Pearman. So I will do Pearman, and let's see. You can see values are coming negative also because it's the formula is like that. Let's do for Pearson, right? Pearson is basically 0 to 1, and you can see it coming 0 to 1. And generation and legendary is constant because legendary, because they are enum values, right? You can see. So this is the data view. Now for data cleaning, like if your data is matching, you want to clean the data. So basically, uh, you can just you can see that in a new tab also. If I click on this, you can see the columns in a better format. So what I was talking about was, yeah, it was data cleaning. I will upload the file again, yeah, and I want to know the data cleaning like HNA, how many values are null. So you can see type 2 386 are null. So you can perform every action Now if I want to fill the value, so let's say I want to view my current data frame. So I will do show data frame. So you can see they are enabled, like, right? If I do a fill, so what it will do, it will basically fill the forward row as your input. So suppose NaN, so mean uh, up the top row value will be inserted in the NaN value. So if I now type 2 and I do a fill, you can see poison is coming. Similarly, I can do for backfill also. So for backfill, I just need to refresh my home. I will write the recaptcha. I will upload the file. And then I will upload it. And yeah, now in data cleaning, if I want to do backfill, then backfill is also possible. Fill NA. So you can see flying will come. Yeah, flying came. Now if I want to basically group by my value, so group by type 1, then I can do several operations like math, mean, average, sum and count. But here max and mean are irrespective of the column being used. Means if I write math, then for that particular type 1 group by, all the math column will appear, like name math, water type water, type 2 water. So the name and type 2 are not related to each other, right? Did you understand? Means if I say Vulpix, Vulpix is a fire type Pokemon, but you can see here type 2. This is because I have just did correlation with the mm, column that I need to group by. I have not done like a row number implementation or something like that. So the row number implementation will be done in the next beta version, in which there will be many columns, many functions also. Yeah. So if I want to reset my index, then I can reset my index. So yeah, we reset my index. So you can see type 1 is coming, right? Suppose now in this I want to know the type 1 HP attack defense, right? I want only the 4 column. So what will I do? I will do data view, show current. I will type here the names of the column. So name, let's see, I do type 2, type 1, type 2, HP attack, right? I will do, yeah, I will do show current, and then I will do one any operation, something like info, and you can see only the columns are coming. So yeah, now I will erase this. I will do show current. It will show me type 1 total HP attack and defense P, right? Now I want to sort the values. To sort the values, I can do multiple also. Like I want defense. Okay, let's say attack. Attack to be descending. So I will just do attack descending. So you can see attack is in descending order. So you can see here attack is 180, 180. So let's say I want to do uh, defense also, sorry, P in extending order. So okay, so here 180, 180, it is also 120, 120. Okay, so let's take HP. So if I do HP, you can see I want the ground to be in top, right? So if I do this way, so you can see ground is in top of dragon. So it is being sorted in multiple columns also. Now I want to visualize. So if I say I take a bar graph, I do type 1, I do total, mm, total, and then I can provide color also. For now I am just doing plot bar. So you can see I have got the value. I will just click on the button and see, you can see all the values are coming. Bar graph. Now I want different colors also, like yellow, pink, orange, like, so I can do that also. You can see values are being changed, yellow, pink, orange, and anything. So similarly, you can try for other visualization also, bar, scatter, line, plot, violin, like that. So let's say I now click on another file. Let's say IPL dataset. Mm, I will upload. Now I want to basically split the data. Like in date, I want it in year column, month column, and day column. So I will do split data. I will write here date, and I will write the split value. So you can see, wait a minute, yeah, date part 1, date part 2, and date part 3. By default, this will be a ATR data type. So you want to change the into another data type, you can just do data manipulation and then do a type, and you can give multiple column name and do int, right? I have done int. So now if I do on info, you can see date part is coming in, so it's working perfectly. Then you can do concat also, rename also. Now let's say I want to rename the date part 1, part 2 in date format, year, month, and day, right? So yeah, yeah, you can say year, month, day came, right? So this was the data manipulation. So you can set the index, concat also, and now the conditional formatting. Let's say I want only the month. Uh, okay, so let's say I want only 2009 column. So I will write here, I will do here 2009, 2009, right? I will click on conditional formatting, and you can see only 2009 column will come. Now here, suppose I say I want to see the winner of only Bangalore people, Bangalore team. So I will go on change. I will write here Bangalore in winner column. I will do contain. I will type here Royal. Let's say Bangalore. Okay, Challenger, because it's a very unique name. Challenger. Okay, now we continue, and I will do continue. So coming data fetch error. Okay, yeah. So what the issue? Challenger. Okay, yeah, I got it. I need to do one more operation or something like that to show, and then I will do show current, and then I will do uh, conditional format. Still coming. Okay. Okay. Uh, why they coming to? Acha. Okay, yeah. You can see here the winner is capital. and in the column it's small. That's why it was not coming. So now you can see only the challenger name have been coming. It is winner. Yeah. So it's working perfectly. So manipulation done. Data output. So I want to see this in the JSON format. I can see in the JSON format. If I want to see this in the PyQuery format, then I can see this in the PyQuery format as well. It's basically a columnar approach. Then to THV, then you can see THV also. Then in XML, then you can see in XML also. And now data cleaning, yeah, FL duplicate, if there is any duplicate values or not. So let's say I do show duplicate report. So you can see no duplicate being found, right? Let's say now I want to basically know whether this duplicate is working or not. So I will pass on G. Uh, I have created one the duplicate column rows. So let's say it is being able to detect or not. So you can see it is being detect 0 and 4. And now if I want to drop the duplicate, so let's say I want the large row to be as a parameter, right? So you can see for John 0 has been dropped and John 4. Now the main part which I was talking about, the logging part. So you can basically see I have done so many action, and you can just copy this and paste it in your Jupyter notebook or something. You can clear the logs as you want, and yeah, mm, this is basically a helpful website to basically for the learner, new learners, and for the professional also. Suppose they are tired and they don't want to write the code, but they know the logic, then they can refer the product and do the drag and drop, and then they can just copy the log that they want to, and yeah, it's done. So let's say I want to do a problem statement. Let's see. Uh, let's say I am given a problem statement that I want to know each type 1 how many count is there, and based on the count value I want to know the scatter plot of the total HP attack and everything, right? So let's say I do the head, let's say 100. I did 100. Now I want only the uh, numerical column. So for the numerical column I can write here uh, total HP attack and defense, and sorry, the edge type I want the show column, sorry, type 1, right? Uh, Attack and defense, let's say I want that only. I will do show column. I will write head. You can see only attack and defense are coming. Now I want to visualize it. Box plot. So only numerical columns are allowed. So you can see box plot is coming, and you can visualize here also. Then if you want violin plot, then violin plot is also available. You can see violin plot came. So and now scatter plot. So in scatter plot, let's say attack and defend. So basically my n is not working. So we can just add one more column which is doesn't contain it. Okay. So type. Mm, okay, n is not working in my case. So my laptop had some bug. So you understood, no? Like cataploting, how the visualization is happening and everything. And data view, data cleaning. different drop function and everything. So you can just explore the website and do the login. So you can see the violin plot have been plotted, box plot have been plotted.